I swear to God, put that on everything. I be 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. I can count. Let me get some lighting up in here so we all can see. So we don't be extra all dark. Got it back here somewhere. To be honest with you, I'm not exactly sure. What the hell is this? Ooh. Hand sanitizer. It's not good. Where's that? The hell you at, goddammit? Embarrassing me. What the hell? Get your ass up. What the hell you doing? Goddamn embarrassing me, goddammit. Alright, this is it. The original boxing I have, you know what's funny? I'm giving away something that I bought, something that I really wanted, and you guys better be appreciating this. Is hand sanitizer all on the case. Let me wipe it off. Hold on. Actually, I'm going to keep this one. I thought about, should I give? We'll see about that in the end of the video. But so it comes in this little case, whatever, yada yada yada, and I'm gonna pull it out. The actual box is inside of the crib. I gotta go, you know what I mean, get that. So here's what it looks like. Pretty much, if I just power it on in a second, everything will come on. Pretty much, it's a tablet, it's touch screen. You can navigate with the buttons if you want, or you could use the screen. Mostly, I use the screen most of the time. And it comes with the data link cord, of course. Cool. And got my charger in the inside. I'm not gonna pull that out. And so pretty much this one comes unloaded. Those who are familiar with launch products and macro tools kind of intertwine together or whatever. I remember I had, like, if you watched some of my early videos when I was doing YouTube some years ago, a few years ago, I'm acting like it was a minute ago, but it was a few years ago. I used the Max-Me. The Max-Me is similar to the Maximus. I think the difference between the two, from my knowledge, from when I had the Max-Me and then I saw somebody else who had the Maximus comes fully loaded. The Max-Me comes unloaded. This one is the Max Lite. So this is basically, to me, this is very, very similar, very, very similar to the Max-Me. If anything, I feel like this is slightly faster than the Max-Me, and I will pick this over the Max-Me just because what it does for its size, rather than having the Max-Me, which is bigger than this. And both of them come unloaded. You gotta download everything on it. I mean, you pay like a monthly subscription, of course, but for me, this is a good. Some people are like, oh, why would you get unloaded? Oh, why don't you get it loaded? Yada yada yada. Like, I'm not about to be spending all this money on no goddamn scan tool. I'm not about to be doing all of that. I use it for when I use it. Most of y'all, when y'all spend y'all expensive dollars on y'all scan tools, y'all don't be using it like that. Y'all be letting it sit in the box. Me, I use it when I need it. I get plenty of jobs all the time, and I charge the customer diagnostic. Okay, cool. $20. That's how much the module costs. $20. Don't bother me. It's just $20. I remember on a Max-Me, I was paying $105 or $110 a month to have all of the modules. This one, I don't see like an option to buy all of them. Maybe I gotta like look into that, but I take $20 from what I make off of a car and look and get the module. That's not a problem. Full bi-directional scan tool. Like I said, Volkswagen, this is similar to the scan tool we use, the in-house scan tool we use on our cars. You can do basic settings with this. You can adapt things with this. Like, you got your bi-directional controls, roll down a window, honk the horn, sunroof, lights, yada yada yada. Anything that can be actuated via through the like relay, pretty much. There's a lot of things you could do. Brake, your rear pad service on the electronic parking brake. You know, get a job like that or whatever, you need to, open up basically you gotta open up the piston, basically valve, piston, whatever they want to call it, so that way you can begin the procedure, and when you're done, close it, yada yada yada. Cool. this does that, oil maintenance, life procedures, yada yada yada. Do that. You go on the web, and I'm trying to, if I turn it back on, you can go on the internet. It's hooked up Wi-Fi, so you got Wi-Fi on your phone, hotspot or whatever. Got a web browser. I use Google right there, Google Chrome. Gallery, I don't know what the hell you need a gallery for, probably for the screenshots, because you could do screenshots, but I think, well, the Maxime had a camera on it. That camera was ass. When I say ass, turn around, pull your pants down, look at your ass. It was ass. This one, it ain't ass, because it ain't got one, so I can't judge it. I don't see like no market for you could be downloading apps like how you could on the Maxime. The Maxime had like the Play Store or whatever, because it was Android based. This one got like the file Internet Explorer, so it looked like one of those type of situations where I gotta be finding certain web addresses and certain things or whatever for any whatever I'm looking for. I guess we'll figure out that part, because that's something to be figured out. We'll figure it out though. But think about me, I sniff around, I find what I'm looking for online, and I get things working the way I want them to work. Doesn't make me savvy, just make me, I guess it makes me savvy then. So I'm gonna be giving this away pretty much, and like I said, the reason why I'm giving this away because I want to show y'all how much I am, how much, I appreciate it. Just me having a YouTube channel. Like, I could be still dreaming, like, dang, like, I want a YouTube channel. I want to do this, do that. Like, it could be like that. But I actually had one, and I'm actually, like, pursuing, like, everything I'm doing. Like, I'm saying I'm going to be doing or whatever. And then everything is falling through. Slow progress. I heard stories from like plenty of other YouTubers when they be like, oh, they share these stories when I first started YouTube for like the first 1 in 5 years or 3 years or 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. It was like, it was ass for them. And then everything did like a 360 on them and everything started coming through. They was making like small progress and stuff. And then they stuck it out. And then the next thing you know, it took off just like that. This is just like a small milestone for me. We'll worry about, the other stuff when we get there. But I'm happy about, like, I'm about to hit it. One of my videos about to hit 1 million views. And on top of that, my channel is like sustained. So it's like, all I gotta do is keep grinding and keep like delivering content and stuff. And that's just like the key to everything. I don't know how to like break it down and be like seeing other people that you could give advice to and stuff. But then like everybody, it's not best just to worry about yourself sometimes, especially in this type of community on YouTube. I mean, the auto community, I'm just worried about your own damn self. Don't be giving nobody advice. The advice you're about to get is some ass use for your own self, and you will benefit off of it. Just be selfish with yourself. Be selfish with your channel. Worry about yourself. You feel like you gotta not talk, be like me. You don't have to interact with nobody like that. Just worry about yourself. Worry about your life. Worry about your job. Worry about your kids. Worry about your well-being. Worry about making you happy or whatever. That's what you're gonna be doing. You be all in that old extra stuff, and I understand it might be hard to avoid, but just focus on your channel. Get serious, man. I remember I was doing this like wee hours in the morning when I first started YouTube. I swear to God, I put down everything. I'd be 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning. I could count. These be different days at a time. And then I'd be having work. I'd be having work the next day. And I still get up. And I still get up. Can't wait to go to work so I can film something. Or can I get off work and film something. I can't wait to get home so that way I can upload it. I was always happy about uploading. And I got a few hundred videos posted. And you just take your time and go through or whatever. And those take time. Like, I remember just being on my 100 video grind, and I'm gonna grind it out to 100 videos. And I did it. And then I got more than that. But now when I go back and I think about it, I'm like, dang, yo, how did I have that energy to go ahead and just go ahead and bang those out? Like, I had that drive, and I wasn't even like making the money that I was making now then, and I had that drive. It's not about the money. When you grinding, like, all that extra stuff gonna come with it though. Like, it is. You just gotta focus on you. So it's just to help out like smaller channels. If you got questions, man, ask me in the comment. Email me. You want me answer it like in another video or whatever, I could do that. But it is what it is. YouTube is a whole job. It's what you make it. It's what you put in. It's what you're gonna be getting out. But I'm Leekautorepair. I'm gonna probably pack this up. But I'm debating. What do you think I should do? You think I should? I'm gonna order a new one. So should I keep the new one, or should I keep the one? So I give away. Should I keep the one that I got? I'm trying to figure out which one I should give away. I'm thinking maybe I should just give I should just give a brand new, a whole brand new John away or whatever. So that way somebody can just do the whole registration John with the serial number, make your little login John and everything, and I ain't got to worry about deleting nothing or whatever. So I think I'm gonna just do that, and I want y'all to, whoever winner, like, had that experience, open up a fresh John and they got their scan tool. So I'll figure out in the meantime. I'll figure out terms and agreements and everything, and I'll communicate with y'all in the community section. So be look out for a post that I'm gonna post in the community section regarding this or whatever. Probably put up like a little quick story too or whatever. But I got seeds in my mouth. I had like a strawberry banana smoothie, and like sometimes those seeds be getting caught in my throat or whatever. I'm gonna come up, terms and agreement, yada yada yada. That's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing in the meantime. And when I would like to give away this scan tool, I want to do it at, like, since I'm at 20,000, I think it only so right I should just set another milestone. Let's go for a 25,000 subscriber giveaway. Let's just do it that way. Yeah, I think that's pretty fair. So I think about that one. I did say 30K, but 30K is a little hot minute from here. But let's just do 25,000. 25,000 is probably could get that before the summer comes or something like that, or a little bit after the summer. Who knows? I don't know. It is what it is. But we'll figure it out. So I'm Leekautorepair. Anything questions you got, leave it in the comment box or whatever, and look out for the next video pertaining to giveaway. And of course, I do got a how-to video on deck. It is what it is. I'm not like in a rush to be like spreading out all these like how-to videos. That's cool, yeah, I understand, but I also got like a catalog of videos you guys could like watch and stuff. So it ain't like you have to be at your edge of your seat waiting for stuff all the time. Just check out my channel, watch stuff, whatever, cool, get a good laugh in, whatever, learn some stuff, cool. Meantime, just keep on doing what I'm doing, and I'm out of this joint.